Hi loves, welcome back to my channel where you guys have a first class seat to my experiences, both bad and good. Leo, we are going to do something a bit different. Today is on Wednesday. I'm supposed to start my night shift. So we usually have a few hours before night shift ianze. We prepare ourselves mentally, physically to start the night shift. So I'm supposed to go to work around 6 p.m. And we are going to do general house cleaning today because that's what I do with these hours. Because nikiingia night shift, by the way, I'm usually very lazy. Natokanga tu job, nakuja na lala, na prepare na rudi job. I do most of my cleaning today. We remove the bed sheets. Already being cleaned. So now this is my mattress. Niliwambia time ya kuhama, I really shopped for things on sale. So how I went for this mattress 1 year down and it is still as bouncy. This is bouncy. Nilienanga supermarket, nikarukia mattress zao, nikaangalia which mattress is within my budget. Then I decided not to buy from the supermarket first because hiyo siku ningenunua tu, but hawakuwa na offer. Nikaingia Jumia and I found this thing on offer. It was like 2k or 3k less, which is okay because your time you're just saving. You're saving as much as you can. I get my beddings from Toy Market. Hii pillow, watu wanaogopanga sana kununua pillow from Toy Market. Personally, me I value quality over quantity anytime. So hakuna siku yenye nitaenda kukuchukulia kitu yenye mimi siwezi vaa ama watu wangu hawezi vaa ama watoto wenye nitaikuwa nao hawawezi vaa ama kitu yenye siwezi lalia. Sawa. So this is a fiber pillow. In Toy they are 300 shillings. Hii pillow, this is 1 year in. Haijakuwa ndogo. Still as bouncy as ever and flexible. Si ile unalala inakaa kaa chuma imekugonga. Sawa. So these pillows are very good. Beddings are very good from Toy Market, by the way. This is my duvet. We're washing the duvet cover. Uzuri wa duvet cover inakuzuyanga ufue duvet every time. I feel like I really like white. It brightens up my space. I have this. Hii mwenye huwa ananiuzia aliniambianga ninunue. It's very warm. You can actually, it's like another duvet. It's a very warm blanket. Very fluffy, very soft, very warm blanket. So huku mimi na baridi hakunanga story kama hiyo. Okay. So that's all about my bed. A beautiful bed from Motuku. Motuku can do a good job. Hey, kwanza with these types of beds, like umpeleke to any design. Motuku does a good job. I've started with the bed sheets because I'm hoping whether leo ita behave. Nitaanika, napenda kuanika. By the way, mimi ni mtu nikianika ikauke before niende job na make sure nishatandika, everything is back in place, niko sawa. Wa washing machine ni as it washes for me, I can do other things. So come with me as we prepare. So we are going to separate the whites, the bright colors and the dull colors. Ni kama tu kufua na mkono, sawa? Small tip, I use my washing machine like my laundry basket. My space is a bit limited. I'm sure kwa simu inakaa mingi but ni kadogo. So kanatosheanga hapa. Ningeongeza laundry basket hapa ingenifungia barabara ya kuingia sitting room. I'm going to show you all the favorite things I use to fua. You're going to notice some consistency in the specific nitaita flavors, which is lavender. I use lavender a lot. Nilionanga TikTok, cockroaches don't like lavender and I'm not a fan of cockroaches. So kutoka nihame, anything lavender. Washing powder, lavender. So soft, lavender. Yani mimi hata ningepata toothpaste ya lavender ningeitumia. And I think it works because honestly sijai patana hata na moja huku. Sijawahi patana nayo. So I clean with lavender scented things. Everything lavender. Okay. Hata hand wash naendanga na lavender. hata ningeweza kuikunywa, ningekuwa ninakunywa lavender. Okay? So I want to go start preparing breakfast. I also want to clean up my fridge. My loves, so I thought tutamaliza kazi zote jana, but everyone around my place decided wanafua na wakafua, and I had so many clothes and niko na kaspace kadogo. I will keep on insisting, okay? So kama bafu imejaa, I don't like seeing place imejaa, so it was disturbing my head the whole time. I wasn't able to wash the bathroom. We're going to wash it quickly today before we rush to work. We're gonna make our bed. Jana kulinyesha, bedsheet hazikukauka. Kumenyesha? Kumekuwa kukinyesha sana, but at least leo kuna kajua. I hope before nitoke nikimbie job, nitapata nguo zimekauka at least. I think I'll pick them before nitoke. Main things I use, I know I've not shown you guys a lot, but if you check the videos mtaona lavender. Na nilikuwa nasema the biggest trick I learned, if you guys notice, nilikuwa na wipe everywhere. I put soap and some star soft kidogo tu hapo, okay, so that my house is smelling like lavender. So let's make our bed. We go wash the toilet faster, and then we have a beautiful house. Now my heart is at peace. So najua wengi wenu mmecomplain nikisema it's too strong. Hey, but me I love it. Kwanza hii bedsitter hii, kanakaa hapa kananukia juko kwa majirani. Kanusanga huko chini. I tried the ocean one. I liked it. Niliona mtu akicomplain kuhusu the lavender one, akisema I like. This is the lemon one. I love it. I'm so happy. Now we are done. Nilienda nikaangalia nguo bado hazijakauka. I'll look at them once more before I leave. We are about to prepare. Nioge, nivae nguo, tuelekee kazini. It was nice cleaning with you. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for 300 subscribers. 300. Where nime make it. Anyways, guys, share my videos, follow me, subscribe. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is nice. Okay, guys, try this one. You are blue, I think it's ocean something. Try it too. Very nice. Kwanza kama uko kwa bedsitter. Hazo huku wangu hakunanga space ya kusonga. Huku kama huwezi fly ka Superman, huwezi survive. So huku aka kananukishanga kila kitu. Hata naweza acha kutumia so soft. Kanaweza nukisha hadi manguo huko. Bye my loves. Have a lovely week. Nawapenda.